I'm an HVAC service technician with 17 years in the field and former nuclear power electrician. Over the years, I've installed and serviced many packaged gas units. Today, we're comparing two basic tier gas packs, the Carrier Comfort 13.4 48VL-A and the Blueridge BRP7GE Series. On paper, both provide reliable heating and cooling. But once you look past the brochures, there are distinct ownership differences you need to know. Most homeowners ask me which unit is going to save them the most money on energy. Honestly, that's only part of the story. What really matters is what you'll spend buying, installing, and servicing the equipment over its 15 to 20-year lifespan. When we look at the core specs, these two units are practically twin brothers under the hood. The Carrier Comfort 48VL-A and the Blueridge BRP7GE both deliver 81% AFU heating efficiency and a 13.4 SEER cooling rating. So what does that actually mean for your wallet? The 81% AFU rating means for every dollar you spend on natural gas, 81 cents turns into warmth in your living room while 19 cents escapes up the flue pipe. The 13.4 SEER rating measures how efficiently the electric compressor cools your home during summer. Since both sit at the baseline efficiency minimums, neither unit has an efficiency edge over the other. Because the efficiency is identical, the biggest difference between these two comes down to purchasing access, required installation channels, and pricing flexibility. Carrier requires you to purchase through an authorized dealer network, meaning you get a local contractor handling the equipment order, wholesale markups, and setup from start to finish. Blueridge is a direct-to-consumer brand, allowing homeowners to buy the unit directly online or source it independently before hiring an installer. Both systems use standard single-stage gas valves and single-speed blower motors. A single-stage setup operates like a simple light switch. When the thermostat calls for heat or AC, it runs at 100% full blast until the house reaches temperature, then shuts off. It's simple, field-proven technology with very few electronic parts to fail. They both use modern R454B refrigerant and feature louvered coil guards, which shield the delicate aluminum fins on the outdoor coil from hail, stray yard debris, or accidental kicks. Here is what brochure spec sheets will not tell you. Installation quality matters far more than the name stamped on the cabinet. Annual maintenance like washing out the condenser coil, checking electrical contacts, and changing return air filters is mandatory for both brands if you want to avoid costly mid-summer breakdowns. On price and value, equipment-only listings for the Blueridge BRP7GE typically run between $2,200 and $3,200 depending on tonnage. Carrier equipment through contractor wholesale channels generally ranges higher, with total turnkey installed costs for a Carrier Comfort 13.4 usually running between $5,000 and $8,500 depending on dealer markups and ductwork setup. If you're paying a contractor full price for a baseline single-stage gas pack, Carrier's dealer-required model adds noticeable markup for the brand name. The Carrier Comfort 13.4 is probably better for homeowners who want a completely hands-off experience and prefer relying entirely on an established local Carrier dealer for turnkey purchasing, installation, and ongoing service support. The Blueridge BRP7GE is better for budget-conscious homeowners or landlords who want direct access to purchase the equipment directly to eliminate dealer equipment markups, provided they have a trusted independent technician lined up for the install. If it were my house, I'd lean toward the Blueridge BRP7GE Series. Mechanically, you're getting the exact same baseline performance, single-stage simplicity, and identical 10-year parts warranty coverage as the Carrier. I'd rather save the money on the initial equipment markup and spend it hiring the absolute best local installer to set it up right.